Hi friends, I'm back to this Ninja creamy machine with a lot of junk. Here's what I'm making tonight. Butter pecan. Yep, butter pecan. I took Fairlife milk. This has 13 grams of protein, Fairlife milk. I added in 1 scoop of my vanilla flavcity protein powder. So that's got 25 grams plus 13 grams of protein. Here's where I lie to you. This is sugar-free, Skinny Mixes butter pecan flavor. I do a shot of that. I didn't measure, I shotted it. So I'm shaking it up, making sure the powder is all incorporated from the protein powder, freezing that one. Remove all this junk out of the way, is the Vitamix. Nope, we're not on the Vitamix, we're on a Ninja Cremi. Here is the dry stage. I showed you this the other night. See how it's dry? Here's where we make the magic. We put a little bit more of the Fairlife milk. For some reason, this is just the procedure. And again, you see my measuring skills. I don't really measure. I'm going to put this in. Put the lid back on. Hopefully, put the lid back on. So everything's always worse when you're doing it on camera. Put it back in place. Unfortunately, you have to do, it's not installed. I don't know why it's not installed. What the heck? Bear with me. That's the respin. It's loud, I know. So after the respin, I'm going to do the mix-in where I put the pecans in. This is nighttime. Once again, this is real life. We have spider webs. It is only 6:57. Oh, I fold up like an envelope. I guess you're going to hear the loudness. We're coming back, because this isn't very long. We're moving you over. We're going to see how it works. So, initially it's about a 90-second object. You make your mixture, shaking it up. You'll see there's little grooves. You don't want any lumps in there. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze this overnight. It comes with extras, so I try to always have at least 2 to 3 in the freezer, depending on how much room in the freezer I have. These are excellent treats. See, that's done. So this part's the creamy part now. I hope. Oh yeah, we have total cream. Now, because it's butter pecan, here I go with nuts again. I'm going to put some pecans in. I'm not even going to chop them. I'm going to put a handful. It does the job for me. It's going to mix them all up. Providing I get the top on. You can't see. Providing I get the top on. And I put it back in place correctly. Then you hit mix-in. If it's mix-in, the mix-in button's a little quieter. So I just threw the pecans in. This one's going in the freezer. That one's going to be done in just a few minutes. I didn't bring a spoon over, so I'm going to use this guy to mix it up. And here's line number 712, I'm going to tell you. So as I told you, I eat 90% clean. I've tried to do away with artificial sugar. But I like sweets. And I really like night eating, which is my biggest downfall. So when I do night eating, I make it something that's good for me. So in that, I know that's good for me. Do the math. 25 plus 13. So that's 38 grams of protein in that. I had a cup of my delicious superfood turkey chili tonight. for dinner, but I don't feel like I'm full. And I don't want that fullness feeling, but I want to feel like I'm going to be able to last through the night. I have to sleep well because tomorrow morning I'm getting up early to go pick up my little friend. That's 4. Okay, finished product. It really does work fast. It just seems longer when you're waiting on camera. Are you ready for delicious? I mean, this is, and I don't eat all of this. So when I tell you all those grams, I mean, this is butter pecan, creamy. I could see the pecans right there. Creamy. Unreal. So I'm going to jazz it up. I'm going to scoop it out and I'm going to pour. This is a Smucker's sugar-free caramel sauce on the butter pecan. Years ago, I used to go to Friendly's and I would get butter crunch. They had a butter crunch flavor with butterscotch sauce. And that's what I'm mimicking. What do you think? I can't tell you how good it is because I just can't tell you because we're talking, it tastes like you're cheating the bejesus out of yourself. So what did I add up? 25 and 13. So that's 38 grams of protein in the whole thing. Then it's Fairlife milk, 120 calories, a scoop of flavcity or Premier protein powder. You put that on its original setting, which is it's a button that says light ice cream. So if you're not using whole milk or heavy cream, you use the light ice cream button. That does 90 seconds. It stops when it's done. You take it out, you add a splash of milk because that's the dry phase. Then you put it on a respin. Push the button. There's nothing to it. Push the button. Then it comes out creamy. Then you poke a hole in it and put your mix-ins if you want mix-ins. I'm going to do strawberry too, and that is so good too. They're all good. I'm going to do a mint chocolate chip. Bear with me. Tell me if you like these. If you like to see the Ninja Cremi in action. I got an arsenal of recipes for them. I'm going to go share this with that guy in there. We're watching Christmas movies. I love you guys. Good night. I'm wiped out, tired. I've done a lot today. A couple of doctor appointments. Cooked a pot of chili. Yeah, this is it. So, Ninja Cremi. Put it on your Christmas list. It's an expensive gadget, but I mean, here it is. It's cold and I still like ice cream. So this isn't ice cream. This is actually good high protein. I'm going to post it. I hope you love it because I love you guys and I love this little community we've built. Thanks for all your feedback. Please share our videos because otherwise I'm meeting new people. I don't even know who I know. I'm helping people. I had a guy from school write to me that he's been on a weight loss journey for so long and I've been giving him incentive. I got other people from school asking for my recipes. So now I've done a chocolate peanut butter overnight oats that's going on tomorrow. I got all kinds of goodies up my 3/4 sleeves. Good night. God bless you. I love you.